Hello and happy face painting season to you. This is Madameileen showing you another piece that I am practicing from the many design ideas that I've gotten from social media. And for background music, I am playing my glockenspiel. A glockenspiel is a xylophone that is worn by band members, and they call it a glockenspiel. Once in a while I pull it out of the closet and grab a wooden spoon and I just have fun. Now so far for my design, I'm just using a flat brush and I'm just laying down swaths of color. Purple, green, and blue. And now the main subject of my painting is going to go here at the corner. I like to play the charades game. Guess what I'm making? But in this case, guess what I'm painting? No, it's not a little lamb. I'm just having fun, just making music, or at least making noise I like. You can see now that I have my color laid down and dried, I am painting black. But before I painted black, you'll notice that outlining on the yellow creature was done first in brown, a dark brown. And I used the black. I don't draw straight lines, just a little dash of black here and there to kind of just deepen the design. Can you guess what creature I'm painting? If you're familiar with the world of Pokémon, you might guess who this is. A little bit of white always lets your spider web stand out, gives it a nice dimension, keeps it from looking flat and boring. I'm thinking how else I can jazz up this design, and that's when I get my white again. And I'm going to add those clusters of 3 dots. Different sizes so they're not boring. You want to avoid making them the same size or making them look like Mickey Mouses. We don't want to offend anyone or step on any copyrights. Just fun, creative art fun. And we're just about done. Just a few little sparkle stars here and there. And voila! We're all done.